Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we would be going on an overview of how to create a bashion host and how to connect to a private instance from the bashion host. So let's go ahead and create a public server. So I'm going to use Linux. I'm going to keep all the other ones the same as they are, and I'm gonna go without the key pair for now, but it's a good practice to always add a key pair. But you would have to add a key pair in the private instance, which I'll show you once we go ahead. So this is the public instance which I'm connecting, and I need to enable this as it's a public instance. I'm gonna go ahead and create a security group where I'm gonna name it bashion host 1. And as we see that it's anywhere, but we want to customize, but it's a private instance, it's a public instance, so we're gonna do this in the private instance. So let's go ahead and launch the instance. I'm gonna proceed without the key pair. So our public instance is successfully launched. Now we're gonna go ahead and create a private instance. I'm going to choose Linux, and I'm going to choose the demo key pair which I have already created. But if you want to create a key pair, you can always go to key pairs, and then you can create a key pair with whatever name you want, and pem, or if you're using OpenSSH, then you would use .pem. If you're using PuTTY, then you would use ppk. So now as we have selected that, we need to edit the VPC to be private, and we're gonna disable this as it is, and I'm gonna name this private instance security group. And then for this I'm gonna custom it to the security group of my bashion host. So let's go to my bashion host and security, and this is a security group. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And I'm gonna launch the instance. My bad. So this is my security group, and SSH to the private to the bashion host. So now once we are done, let's launch the instance. So our private instance has been launched as well. So I'm gonna go to my just wanna filter it out, so it's better for us to look at things. So I'll go to bashion host, I'll connect to the bashion host. Now we are successfully connected to the bashion host. So now what I want to do is that I want to SSH into my private server. So how would I do that? Which is SSH command with the EC2, which is your username, and at the private instance IP address. So let's go to the private instance, all state running, private instance. I'm gonna copy this, go ahead and paste it here. And once we have that, I'm gonna do I demo key pair dot pem. Yes. So now you see there's a warning which says that of the host can't be established fingerprint, or this key is not known by any other name. Are you sure you want to connect? So it is pretty much giving us permission denied. And now when we run that, it says warning, identity file demo key pair not accessible, no such file in the directory. So let's go ahead and create a demo key pair file, demo key pair dot pem. And now this is my key pair which I just pasted. I'm gonna save it, come out of it, do ls, and now you can see that the demo key pair is already there. And now let's run this particular command, but it won't run because it says unprotected private key. It's not authorized yet, so we need to authorize it using 400 command. Demo key pair. This will authenticate the certificate. So now if we run this particular command, we are connected to the private server. So now you see it's 10.0.132.124, and this is the private instance 10.0.123.132.124. So we have successfully connected to the private instance from our bashion host. So that's the implementation for today, and see you guys in the next lecture.